I'm going to show you how to make multiple backdrops with stuff you can get at the Dollar Tree. This will range anywhere from $10 to $15, just depending on how many different backdrops you want. We're going to start by getting 3 of these foam poster boards. Then grab yourself some of this sticky wallpaper, or you can use contact paper as well. The first thing I'm going to do is put 2 of these boards together and then put a piece of tape along the middle. Now take your third piece and just place it over top of one of the sides, and we're going to tape that as well, kind of like a book. I'm going to start with the contact paper, but as you can see, when I place it all the way back, there is going to be a little bit of a gap in the front. This is totally fine though, because you're never going to see it since we're going to place the item right in the middle. With contact paper, since it is a long roll, only fold back the backing about 3 inches. Once that's pressed down, then what you're gonna do is start pulling the backing off as you're pressing down on the contact paper so that it's very smooth. Now we're gonna work on the wallpaper sheets, which is gonna be a lot easier to apply. You just need to make sure that you put this as far back as it will go so that you hide all the duct tape. And carefully line up your second sheet so it matches the first sheet. Don't worry if you can't get it lined up exactly or you see imperfections, because you're never going to notice that, since the main focus is going to be whatever item you're trying to sell or take a picture of. My strategy applying these is to have one side look like flooring and one side to look like the walls. So I ended up doing 4 sides, but what's nice about these is that you can actually flip them around as well if you want to use it in reverse. Now let's see what it looks like when you take a picture. This is the up house that my daughter built out of Legos. I took one picture and then I flipped the boards around so you can see each side. And I think they all turned out really good.